Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Kindly click the subscribe button so as not to miss out on amazing video content I will be sharing on this space. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So guys, on this particular video, I will be sharing to our new YouTubers how to gain their first 1,000 subscribers. Welcome again, guys. You wouldn't mind if you see me bending my head up and down. Well, that's because I have my key points here, so as not to miss anything. I will be reading, not necessarily reading, but just be taking a few points to keep the conversation going. So, guys, like I said, on this particular video, I will be sharing with you how to get your first 1,000 subscribers if you are a new YouTuber. Yes, I know that this particular channel has not up to 100 subscribers. Yes, so this is not my first YouTube channel. I have another channel, or I have other channels. I have the one of about uh, 8,000 plus. I have over 45,000. So guys, this one is where I will be sharing YouTube tips that I learned personally. I learned from my mentor. I learned from other YouTubers as well. And like I said, personally, like, you know what they say, experience is the best teacher, right? Yes. So guys, stick around and let's dive right into this. Getting first 1,000 subscribers is indeed a huge milestone. Yes, it's a very big thing. I mean, if you are planning to qualify, or if you're planning to get to the monetization stage, you have to get your first 1,000 subscribers, then 4,000 watch hour. Yes, that's for the regular videos. Shorts is only different. I think Shorts has a qualification of 10 million views to get to be able to monetize on your shorts channel. So this is about the regular videos we get to see around. So guys, first 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. So on this particular one, we're sharing how to get your first 1,000 subscribers. Like I said earlier, it is a very huge milestone. Yes. If you have a channel that is about 1 subscriber, 2 subscribers, 3 subscribers, you will, or you might probably be feeling discouraged. And I believe many of us here, our first 1 subscriber, 2 subscribers are basically our friends and families, those we've shared our links to, our channel links to, right? So as time goes on, as you continue to post, guys, you get to see that your videos are gathering views, and as your videos are gathering views, you're getting subscribers. Now the good thing about this organic views YouTube get to give out, why I say YouTube get to give out, because they are the ones that get to recommend your videos. But if you're the one sharing your videos out, you might find that difficult. So if YouTube are the ones making your videos come out in the top search and the rest, that's SEO now. So it makes it easy. Your subscribers will count, and now those subscribers that are counting will definitely come back to watch your videos again. Not the ones that we share to our family and friends and they just get to subscribe, they watch that particular one video we recommended to them, and after you add another video, you upload another video, you find it difficult to see them coming back because that's not their line of interest. We just have to put it on them to please help us subscribe, right? I don't know if many of us have noticed stuff like that. So that's why it's called organic views and organic subscribers. Those ones that intentionally subscribe to your channel because they love what you're doing, right? So that's the set of subscribers I really want all of us to get. I also want this particular channel to get that. So guys, like I said, I have a few key points. I have 6 points that will lead you to getting your first 1,000 subscribers. So the first on our list here is create consistent content. Yes guys, create consistent content. Now consistent content meaning you post today, you don't post tomorrow, you don't post next tomorrow, you leave it for over let's say 2 weeks. You're not posting consistently. So, and it's everywhere. Something you get to, okay, let's say for instance now you create a new Facebook account, right? And create a new Facebook account for your business. Then you post today, you post tomorrow, you post next tomorrow, you continue to post every single day. Most times, even in a day you post like 3 videos, right? You see that your engagement will increase because the algorithm will be like, hello, who is this? Because you're pushing it out there, you're always doing it, you're always doing it, and they have no other choice than to push your videos out there because wow, they're celebrating your consistency, I guess. That's it, guys. So create consistent content. Do not just create today and you post next month, right? Now, don't get me wrong, there are people that don't have the capacity to keep up with the consistent posting, right? That's why you have to set a schedule for yourself. Yes, guys. If you are this kind of person that you have a 9 to 5 or you have another business aside YouTube, because many persons have um, put this YouTube now as a side hustle, right? Why there are others that this YouTube is where they feed from, it is everything to them, right? So I'm talking to those ones now that that wouldn't have that time to post consistently. I wouldn't want you to get me wrong. I am trying to let you understand that it's different if you are the kind of person that said that you are about starting a YouTube channel and you said that you want to set a time frame when you be posting. Let's say you post today being Monday, right? You post today being Monday, then the next video you're trying to upload will be probably in 2 weeks' time. If you consistently keep up with that, every 2 weeks you post, every 2 weeks you post, that's fine. That's fine. But if you're the kind of person that you from start said you're going to post 2 weeks interval, right? So the next 2 weeks you don't post, or next 2 weeks you don't post. There's going to be a long time frame, like a long time gap from your previous videos, or it's not going to rhyme. I don't really know how to put that, but I hope you understand. So consistently matters. Consistency matters, guys. Post consistently your content. If you're going to post in 2 days, make sure you post in 2 days. If you're going to post in 4 days, make sure you post in 4 days. That's how it is, guys. Create consistent content. That's number one. And our number two on the list is engage with your audience. Now, I know many of us might be saying, how can you engage with audience when you don't have subscribers? I mean, when you create a new channel, you share your links to others, and you keep up with everything that you're supposed to do, which I'll be sharing with you on this video. So now, engaging your audience, maybe you created a video, you shared your link to your WhatsApp status, your Facebook, and the rest of friends, and someone, one of your friend, commented saying, wow, nice video, how do I do this, how do I do that? That's it there. You engage that person. You see that particular comment, that particular question the person asked, that is a comment in your video, you make sure to reply. Do not say, oh, later I'm going to do this, later might come and you forget. Okay, you make sure you engage that particular comment. You can even pin it, so anybody that comes first to, or anybody that comes later to see that video will see that particular comment. And if it's something that the person will want to shed more light on, the person will definitely drop a comment, or probably make elaborate on that person's question, or probably ask another one. You never can tell. Just make sure to engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask for feedback, involve your subscribers in your content. So guys, that will help too. Number 3 on our list is optimize your videos for search. Yes, guys, optimize your videos for search. That's where SEO comes in. Use relevant keywords in your titles, in your description, in your tags. I believe we all know how to create tags. If you don't know, I have a video on my channel that explains how to add tags, how to add end screens. Yes, those are very important for new YouTubers, for every YouTubers. I mean, you have to. It helps the backlogs of YouTube recommending your videos. It helps other viewers that are viewing your videos to refer back to a particular video that will just pop up, or something related to the particular content they are watching, right? So you use relevant keywords in your titles. The title of your video, you make sure it is relevant. You make sure it is something that you are so certain that people are looking for this, people are searching for this, right? In your description also, make sure you write every keyword you, not necessarily every, but if you can, go ahead, every keyword you talked about in your video, that particular video that you're about uploading, make sure you describe it so well in the description box. That's why it's called description. Yes, guys. So and also in the tags you get to write let's say you are talking about entertainment, you write you get to type in Morisan, you get to type in Sonia Uche, just people that are related to entertainment that a lot of people search for, right? So that's it, guys. That's number three. Optimize your videos for search, right? Number four will be promote your channel. Promoting your channel means sharing your videos to your WhatsApp status, your social media handles, your friends, your families, just share it around, right? You can just it's just basically sharing. Promote your channel anywhere you go, to your friends. Oh, I have a YouTube channel. Oh, I do this, I do that. And you never can tell who will be interested. And before you know, your subscribers count, your views count, people are interested, people are sharing. And that's it, that guys. That's how you grow in this whole YouTube space. Number five on our list is create high quality and valuable content. Not just creating content, create high quality content, create valuable content that people will learn from, content that people have been anticipating, content that people have been looking for. Just don't create content because everybody's creating content. You become irrelevant. You become um you would burn out because you really don't know what you're saying. You as a person, you don't know what you're saying. Not to talk less of, or not to talk more of those that are actually trying to view you. They're just probably in the space of 2 seconds, 2 minutes, and they'll scroll up. So create valuable content, create relevant, high quality content. Number six, use eye-catching thumbnails and titles. I spoke about titles, very important because that's like one of the first things you're going to see in your video, right? Any video that pops up in their YouTube homepage, they will see the title. Is it catchy enough? Your thumbnail is very important. I mean, the eye speaks first, right? So, guys, make sure your thumbnails are very catchy. It's very important. If you don't know how to create a good thumbnail, Canva made it easy. Canva has made everything easy, literally. But if you still don't know how to create a good thumbnail, you can pay for that. You can meet friends. You can just, explore. Make sure your thumbnails are very catchy. The number seven is call to action. Guys, this is the last but not the least key point to gain your first 1000 subscribers. Call to action. Guys, every time in your video you will see me doing this here, because why not? Every time, always remember to ask your subscribers, ask your viewers to subscribe to your channel. Do not forget asking that, because people forget, right? So always make sure you ask them. Remember to ask viewers to subscribe. Remember to ask viewers to like. Remember to ask viewers to drop a comment, share their feedbacks. Remember to ask viewers to share as well. All those things are important because many persons might not necessarily remember. So you reminding them to do that is very important for your growth. So guys, this and many others are very important for your YouTube channel to get your first 1000 subscribers. But I will be stopping here because the video has gone way longer than I expected, and I believe and I really do hope that you learned one or two things from this particular video. And I really hope that with time you get your 1000 subscribers, you get your 2000 subscribers, and before you know, you keep counting and counting. And that's the growth we're talking about on this YouTube space. I will be seeing you guys in our next video. Kindly click the subscribe button if you haven't, like our video, share, and also guys, drop a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think I might have missed, and what you think I should have added, or probably should have shared or shed more light on. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing, because I know you're subscribing right now. I will see you in our next video. Bye.